Miles Bridges, star forward for the Charlotte Hornets, was recently arrested for domestic violence. Let's get into the details. My name is Jamahl Kersey and I'm a criminal defense attorney in San Diego, California. And Miles Bridges is making the headlines right now for the wrong reasons. The Los Angeles Police Department tweeted this news release indicating that Bridges was arrested for a felony violation of Penal Code Section 273.5, intimate partner violence with injury. The incident is alleged to have occurred on June 27th. Bridges was released on a $130,000 bond. Now that's a pretty high bond for a domestic violence arrest, which indicates the seriousness of the situation. He'll have his arraignment on July 20th, where he'll learn of the official charges filed against him. The alleged victim in this case is Michelle Johnson, the mother of his two children. Johnson posted pictures on Instagram which appeared to be injuries she had sustained from this incident, and a medical report which read, adult victim of physical abuse by male partner, assault by strangulation, brain concussion, closed fracture of nasal bone, contusion of rib, multiple bruises, strain of neck muscle. Johnson posted that Bridges choked her until she fell asleep. Now make no mistake about it, this is not just a run-of-the-mill incident. Misdemeanor domestic violence arrests are pretty common and sometimes there are no injuries whatsoever. But this here is considered to be felony conduct. These are serious allegations with documented injuries. And on top of that, at least one of the children apparently witnessed the conduct. So these are facts that will undoubtedly be of concern to the DA and the judge. Now, this won't be the first time that Bridges' anger got him into trouble. He was fined $50,000 for throwing his mouthpiece into the crowd after he was ejected from a game. If Bridges did in fact cause these injuries, respectfully, he's got some issues that he has to deal with. Bridges would do very well for himself to get connected with a rock star therapist to sort out his mental health and enroll in anger management. If there's any alcohol or drug issues, he should get started with treatment for those immediately. These things will be very beneficial for his life in general and his criminal case. Bridges is expected to land a monster contract in the free agent market. It was reported that Bridges was set to get a 5-year, $173 million max contract from the Hornets. Now, this may no longer be on the table as the Hornets are now investigating the incident. They issued a statement saying they're aware of the situation and they're gathering information. It's very possible that any of the teams who were considering Bridges, including the Hornets, may not want to deal with the PR nightmare that will surely come from any team that decides to move forward with Bridges. Bridges potentially losing millions of dollars over this situation would be a terrible fumbling of the bag. One mistake can really blow up your whole life as you know it, so please be careful, fellas. If you've got some unresolved anger management issues, take care of them on your own before you're ordered to do so by a judge and possibly face jail time. I sincerely hope that Bridges is able to get through his personal issues and be able to resolve things with the mother of his children. Hopefully he's able to turn it around and secure that bag for his family. Now, if you got something out of this, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already for more solid content on the topic of criminal law, and hit the notification button so you never miss a new video when it drops. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace.